Hello, good morning. We are back in Shanghai. We're almost in the last few days of China leg. We arrived here in Shanghai, went to Beijing, and now we're back in Shanghai. Same hotel kung saan tayo nag-stay bago tayo pumunta ng Beijing. So, dito sa China, they have a dry winter, especially in Beijing. The weather is extremely cold. Like, it drops at around -11. Konti yung moisture sa atmosphere nila. So, walang snow na lumalabas. Pero, it's very cold. So, nakaka-dry siya ng skin. So, na-experience namin yon. The sun is always out, but negative. Yung outer temperature nila is negative. So, you don't notice, but the sun is actually damaging your skin already. You're getting burnt without you knowing it. So, makikita ko na lang, pag uwi namin ng hotel, parang iba na yung skin mo. Medyo namumula minsan, tapos medyo mahapdi siya. Napansin ko rin, yung mga sunspots ko, mas lumabas ulit dito. So, very important, if you're coming here in Beijing on a winter season, you have to make sure you bring your skincare essentials. So, ngayon, I am going to show you ano yung mga nilalagay ko sa face ko. We are going to do a skincare vlog. So, get ready with me, skincare vlog edition. Okay? So, what do I put? Today, for this vlog, I am going to share my basic skincare essentials. Or after I wash my face, ito yung una natin ginagamit. So actually, ang facial wash ko is also Cetaphil. Yung pink din yung takip, So, ayan. Ito yung toner natin. Pag naglalagay ako ng toner, ginaganon ko lang. I don't put it on a cotton. I just put it on my hand. And then, I just do this, tap sa face. Alright? And then, after that, I use vitamin C. I have a local brand. It's Derm Republic. 15% ascorbic acid with extra vitamin C and ferulic acid. So, ubos na siya. Ubos natin siya dito. So, every time I put on a product on my face, I let it stay for about a minute or two para mas ma-absorb ng skin. Then, after the vitamin C, pagka medyo na-absorb na ng skin, I put on the serum, the peptide. Yan, it's ordinary. Okay? Usually, sa Pilipinas, I put it inside the ref. All my basic essentials, I put it inside the ref. Tapos, ito, madalas, dito ko siya nilalagay sa corner of my eyes, Kasi nandyan yung wrinkles. Okay? And then, dito sa side of the nose, and then dito din. So, yeah. Yan yung next. Again, after this, I let it stay for about a minute or two again. Tapos, when it's done, nakalagay na kasi tayo. When it's done, I put on naman the niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So, this is from the same brand, Derm Republic. Medyo pag nagsisale kasi sa Shopee, bumibili tayo ng madami. So, marami tayong stock na inuubos. So, para after this, meron tayong bagong product na gagamitin. Yun pa yung mga skincare haul natin sa Korea. Okay? So, yeah. Then, after this, yun na yung last, ang gagawin naman natin is yung ating sunscreen. Again, we let it stay for like 1 to 2 minutes. Minsan, 5 minutes pa. So, in between, meron tayong seremonyas, naglilinis, nagliligpit tayo ng mga dapat ligpitin. So, after that, we use naman sunscreen. So, again, paubos na. This is a good brand also, This is the brand recommended by my derma. So, we put a generous amount on our face kasi, madali tayong magkaroon ng pekas. So, marami tayong pekas. Yan actually yung pet peeve ko, yung mga pekas-pekas sa face ko. So, naglalagay tayo. Dumami siya dito sa China. So, again, but Beijing has a dry winter. So, yun yung experience natin. We're back in Shanghai. Medyo mas mainit ng konti. Hindi mainit-init Pinas. Kumbaga parang -1 lang. 1 or 2 degrees lang. Hindi kagaya sa Beijing na ang na-experience natin. The whole day, sub-zero yung outdoor temperature nila. So, this one, it's sunscreen naman. So, yan yung ginagamit natin. We placed already a generous amount of sunscreen on our face 5 minutes ago. Kaya, kita nyo, shiny. Ayan. So, yan. And then, after that, we're using this one. This is a moisturizer. So, while the kids are getting ready, while they are sleeping, gumigising tayo na mas maaga sa kanila kasi ang dami nating ceremonies. So, while they are sleeping, I don't wake them up. Actually, no, the itinerary, like, gaya ng like kong sinasabi, it's different kapag may bata kang kasama. Kasi nga, we need to let them rest. Rest is very important for them. Pag nagta-travel sila, it's just sightseeing eh. Iba kasi yung purpose natin, yung intention natin pag tayo nagta-travel to see as much. Sa kanila kasi, pagkasama sila, we want them to enjoy the moment. So, hindi nila mai-enjoy kung inaantok sila, pagod sila, wala silang energy, napipilitan sila. So, pagkakasama namin sila, we let them sleep at until 9 a.m. Kaya medyo late na kami nakakaalis, no? So, ako naman, I wake up 7 a.m. to get ready kasi ang dami nating ceremonias. Tapos, prepare natin ay mga susuotin nila kasi kung ano yung color ng damit nila, dito. Okay, so ito na ang ating moisturizer. Yan. Bago tayo mag-put on ng ating light makeup. So, later, I am going to share also the makeup I'm using, no? Very, actually, ang makeup ko, it's more on concealer dun sa eye area. And then, dun sa mga moles ko, actually, those moles, wala siya noon, no? Pimple siya na naging mole after mag-heal. So, yan yung mga pet peeve ko, hindi ko alam ba't nangyayari yun. Tinatanong ko rin yun sa derma natin, pero one time, pina-cauterize ko siya. Pero nawala siya for a while. Tapos bumalik din. So, we're meant to be. So, ayan ang ating moisturizer. Ang moisturizer, no, medyo matagal mag-set. Kasi nga dry dito. So, we need a lot of moisturizer. We let the moisturizer stay and get absorbed by the skin for like siguro mga 5 minutes or more. Tapos, habang nangyayari yun, bihis tayo. Get ready, big prep, no? Kasi mga bata, naliligo pa lang. Ayan, naririnig ninyo. Naliligo pa lang sila. So, okay. So, let's put on ating hikaw. Yan lang. Okay. And then, okay. Right? Very tita ko. Ano dito? Put on our ring. Tapos, yeah. Yan na. We're ready. So, pag-10 na. Grabe. It's 9:45. Okay? Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo ano yung gamit natin na kaya. Para sapat na. Okay, actually, yan yung ginagamit natin. Ayun. Yan. Ilalagay lang natin siya dyan, tsaka dyan. Tapos ikakalat lang natin. Ganun lang. Blush from Happy Skin. Yan. Okay? Tapos, ang ating, ano tawag dito? Yan. Yung pang ganyan ng bruise. Tsaka, of course, pamilin niya ng bruise. Ayan. Yan lang siya. Ayan. So, yan ang lagay natin. And of course, lipstick. Maraming. Ay, lip balm. Maraming lip balm. Nandun kasi. Tapos, little shimmer. Para ma-highlight yung mga areas like dito, para mukhang fresh lang. No makeup look ang dating. Yan. Tapos dito, yan lang. Okay? So, mamaya pa natin gagawin yan. And then, we finish it off with Johnson's Baby Powder. So, yun lang ang ating mga makeup essentials. Yan. So, hintayin na natin yan gagawin. Okay? So, magbibihis muna tayo. And then, we'll get back to you. Lagyan ng lip balm.
This is what I'm using now. Parang nakaka-dry kasi yung lamig dito ng lips. Binili natin sa Sephora, sobrang nakaka-dry kasi yung lamig dito ng lips. So, ito, pero this is a tinted lip balm. Yung isa mas maganda. Colorless siya, coconut. Kaso lang hindi namin makita. So, once na nag-set siya, na-absorb na ng skin. Ito na yung ginagamit ko. Okay? And then, tawag dito, ito, free sa previous hotel natin. Maganda siya. Kasi nagka-crack yung heels natin. So, humingi tayo ng extra from the hotel. Lalagyan natin yung heels natin. Alright?